Contestant number 14. Contestant number 15.
Today's evening. My name is Sweeta Kashyapre and today I wear a Maharashtrian dress and my contestant number is 17 and I'm from a beautiful town called Tinsukia.
Thank you, contestant number 18. Up next, contestant number 19. Starting the sequence for Kids Group D Boys.
Thank you. Good evening everyone, respected judges and my audience and my friend. My name is Aryan Sharma. My hobby dancing and singing. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you so much, contestant number 19. And that was contestant number 19. Up next, we have contestant number 20. Presenting contestant number 20.
Keep learning and
Here to show their talent, their prowess, their skills, their amazing walks. And hence I request all of you to please clap for them, hearts up for your dancers. आपके बच्चे